Alright, CSX's Q453 with his main headlights completely out. That's not normal. 4 locomotive consist. That is eerily strange. Guess they don't realize it. Thank you. 574, 808, 4684, and a 4317. Yeah, buddy. Go. Passing me at 7:15. BBT 609 here at Forest Hill Boulevard on the CSX Miami subdivision. Have a safe trip to the crew. Q453-17. As I round the curve, if this were still single track, he would be calling Q453 to clear. North and Lakeworth. Look, listen, and live. And I gotta bike 4 miles home. I need some exercise.